Hi, this is Zafar. In this video demonstration, I'm going to show you how to configure the IP address for the newly created VM. So let's get started. In the previous video, I've showed you how to install the Linux operating system. Now we are to a point that we are logged in and we want to proceed. So let's take a look here if we have an IP address. So the command goes is ifconfig, and you could see there is no IP address, but there is an interface there. So let's go and look at the interface and see why the IP address is not showing up. So let's browse to the place where the interface is at, cd/etc/sysconfig network scripts. Okay, so we change the folder here, then let's do ls. In here we have the Ethernet interface ifcfg-eth0. So we're going to edit that and take a look and configure the IP address. So you do vi, then if config eth0 and hit enter, and you see the device information here. So obviously it says on boot there is no device is not turned on, so you have to make it turn on here. So go into the edit mode and select yes, or I'm sorry, type yes, and then the boot protocol is DHCP. And by the way, we're gonna delete the options in here that are not necessarily required for this to work. So just delete this line here, you don't really need it. And also you don't really need the UUID and the hardware address. So this four basic information you really have to have it, which has a device information type, Ethernet, boot, yes, and a boot protocol is a DHCP. So we are just leaving DHCP because the IP address will be assigned by your router or a DHCP server. So let's go ahead and save this and take a look how the IP address will start showing up. Okay, so let's clear the screen here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and restart the network services that will give us the IP address for this box. So the command is service space network, then type restart, hit enter. There you go. We all that information ran through and it says okay. And let me clear the screen and type ifconfig, and there you have it. You see it, the IP address for interface eth0 is 192.168.10.139. Remember, this is a DHCP IP which is assigned by the router or a DHCP server. So we could take a look later on in other videos that how the DHCP reacts and how DHCP assigns the IP to the box the moment it comes on the network. Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. I hope you have learned something out of this.